Hello everyone. With great pleasure, I welcome you to the launch of highly anticipated compact televisions. Firstly, I hope you and your loved ones are keeping safe and well during this crisis, hoping for a speedy recovery to all the people affected. We would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the heroes who are helping others fight the disease through these unprecedented times. Please stay safe. The world is moving so fast that it has become change or die. This line holds special significance in the history of Compaq. Compaq was started by a set of visionaries who wanted to fill a major gap in the computing space in the early 1980s. To them, it was a conundrum that high quality and highly functional computers at that time were not available to general populace because of expensive configurations which lacked agility and general lack of usefulness for the personal computing space. On the other hand, the economically priced devices lacked functionality and quality. Very quickly, Compaq, by virtue of addressing these gaps, changed the computing landscape forever. And in doing so, achieved some unprecedented milestones. Milestones such as becoming the first company to achieve $100 million sales in its first year, $1 billion sales in its fourth year, and phenomenally became the fastest company at that time to enter the Fortune 500 in fifth year of its operations. Over the next few years, Compaq became the leader in multiple segments of computing. Overtaking the likes of IBM and Apple, it quickly established itself as one of the most iconic and trusted brands in the world across businesses and across territories. In 2001, the brand merged with HP, and after many more successful years, HP realigned the mission for the brand, which was to reach out into more consumer product segments through extensions such as televisions. So for the last few years, Ossify Industries has been working in tandem with the Compaq team to develop and to bring to you a set of devices that echo with the same vision that Compaq started with. Vision of bringing enriched products with ergonomic technology at a very comfortable price point. We commit to you that Compaq will bring products to the market which are not only intelligent and smart, but also fun, while they adhere to the incredible quality standards that Compaq stands for. Living by the golden words of the founder and CEO, Mr. Rod Kenyon, the world is moving so fast, it has become either change or die, which is as true for the television space now as it was for the computing space in 1982. So the big question, why Compaq televisions? We love that question at Compaq televisions because we know why. Compaq screen has always been a personal entertainment interface, and through this interface, it actually redefines entertainment for us. It has always been fun and contemporary, technologically advanced and innovative, and very, very reliable. On Compaq, we have watched our favorite movies, listened to our favorite music, played our favorite games, and even connected with our loved ones. Compaq gave us choices over that preset programming of television channels which used to bore us to death. So instead of our lives revolving around preset schedules, our entertainment started revolving around our lives. Compaq gave us convenience through that screen and its smartness. In our own personal space, we watched a movie on a CD or a DVD. We listened to songs on the internet and played games on our Compaq screen. And when you think about it, isn't this exactly what our smart televisions do for us now? So in 2020, we've decided to do to televisions what the founders of Compaq did to computers in 1982. We've decided to bring the same value-rich, high-quality smart screens to you to enable you to transform your living room or your bedroom or any other space in your house into a personalized entertainment zone. Through carefully created products, Compaq televisions are configured to make advanced technologies compatible and accessible for everyone. This means you can enjoy features in Compaq televisions which are only available with other brands at a premium or not available at all. I promise to you that by the end of this presentation, we will have exhibited that Compaq televisions are loaded with category-defining features and technologies which not only enhance your experience, but also the ease of use and the beauty of your entertainment space. All of this is possible because of the vision and the hard work of Ossify's chairman, Mr. Sandeep Kumar. Mr. Sandeep Kumar, who is a big advocate of great products leading the way for great brands. and has been responsible for extending Compaq into televisions. I also have to thank the HP team for their support and trust in us. I have Mr. Dan Croft and Mr. Jose Barrios from HP's San Diego office to talk about HP's vision for the brand and Compaq televisions. All yours, gentlemen.
Hello, I'm Jose Barrios, HP's manager of Compaq licensing. It is a great pleasure to be part of this exciting event. The Ossify team exemplifies the type of partner HP seeks to bring new and innovative products to market. By utilizing advanced technology like QLEDs and delivering superior products in a format that meets the needs of so many people, Ossify is demonstrating a commitment to promoting the guiding principles and brand beliefs of Compaq. Thank you for attending this event and for letting us share this new line of Compaq products with you.
Hello, I'm Dan Croft, Head of IP Licensing at HP. I'm pleased to join you today to celebrate the launch of Compaq Smart TVs. Ossify is leading the industry, both technically and commercially, with their innovative products and approach to the market. These products represent a significant step forward for consumers' access to media, educational content, and entertainment. Now more than ever, smart technology in the home creates new opportunities for everyone. HP and Ossify have closely collaborated over the last few years to design a product line of Compaq Smart TVs, specifically for the Indian market. These products incorporate an optimized feature set, balancing performance with capabilities and price. These attributes are the core qualities of the Compaq brand. Ossify is amplifying those qualities through their innovative efforts to deliver a family of products that will exceed customer expectations. Since the inspiration for Compaq, which took place in a pie shop in Houston, Texas, the founders envisioned a company that could develop and deliver impactful technology. That same entrepreneurial spirit is alive today, with the team bringing these Compaq Smart TVs to India. I'm thrilled to see the results of their hard work and inventive thinking that has contributed to our reaching this day. The Ossify management team, Sandeep and Anand, demonstrate clear leadership to propel the Compaq brand forward. The Smart TVs being introduced today join other Compaq products around the world. Aligned with the brand principle that well-designed technology should be available to everyone, Ossify personifies these attributes through their thoughtful development of smart TVs. Compaq TVs are ideally positioned to be accessible to a broad portion of the Indian market, empowering users to experience more, accomplish more, learn more. With today's launch, Compaq takes the first step of many towards creating a diverse product offering to address the $13 billion local TV market. In the near future, the Compaq team will build upon this strong foundation of products with new models and options. We are excited by the potential to extend these products beyond India into the neighboring regions and the Middle East. Ossify's experience with efficient distribution and exemplary customer support enables this team to provide world-class experiences for its customers. As a member of the Compaq team in the 1980s, I remember the excitement and energy of a young company growing quickly and producing personal computers for a wide range of customers. Compaq grew to be the #1 computer brand in the world. 38 years after its founding, Compaq continues to represent leading performance, exceptional value, and the democratization of technology. It is a true honor to be part of this event today and to be working with the exceptional team at Ossify. Thank you for being here, and I congratulate the Ossify team for their market leadership and express my sincere appreciation for their partnership with HP.
Thanks, Jose. Thanks, Dan. Compaq for us is representation of excellence and all the virtues of success. Another company that shares the same set of values is Flipkart, who we've partnered with for sales of Compaq televisions in India. I have Mr. Ajay Veer Yadav from Flipkart to talk about this partnership. Over to you, Ajay.
Thanks, Anand. Thanks for the opportunity. It is my pleasure to be here. Greetings, everyone. Thank you for taking out time to join us at this big launch. And as we move forward, I'll share with you why did I call it big, where is my excitement coming from. But before I move in that direction, I just want to take the opportunity to wish you and all your loved ones all the very, very best. These are uncertain times, tough times. I'm sure you're all taking precautions. Just continue to do so, please. Coming to the reason why we're meeting here today and the reason you're joining us, I'm really excited about this launch. See, one way of looking at Compaq is Compaq was a pioneer in laptops, personal computing, desktops, however we want to call it. The operating word is pioneer. See, at that time, or how the whole industry evolved was this was almost the domain of mainframes. And it took some pioneers, Compaq being one of the forerunners there, which made what was meant for large businesses, which involved huge service contracts and millions of dollars worth of investment. How do we make that product, that power, available to a larger set of people across the world, both small offices, home offices, as well as individual users, creative artists, students, and so on and so forth. It's the journey of how you take an industry which is almost a domain of large business enterprises and make it accessible to every single one. Great technology, great product, great quality at a very accessible price. What does a great product mean? One definition of that is quality. Let's keep that aside. That's almost a hygiene, and of course everyone tries to build better on it. A great product is the one that is built on fundamental customer insights that addresses a customer need gap. And there are some organizations, some brands that are able to understand it. Compaq, for me, remains one of those brands, and that is the reason why they were able to play such a pioneering role. As we move forward, and if I may label it Compaq version 2.0, my excitement and my bullishness comes from the fact that the organization still remains as committed to those core values as it was then. And since I work for Flipkart, I've been there for the last 4.5 years. We are India's largest marketplace where millions and millions of customers come every day. They buy on the platform. Some of them don't buy on the platform. Whether you buy or you don't buy, you leave a very strong, you leave a message for us. We talk to millions of our customers every day and generate insights. Working with Compaq team at every step, we saw that connect while we were sharing our insights, when we were sharing what customers are looking for, what are the need gaps, and what space could Compaq fill in this market. We saw a very high level of resonance coming back from the Compaq team. And that's the core value that I'm talking about. Here is a brand that is coming together to create a product that will meet the needs of the customer, the unmet needs. Sometimes customers find it even difficult to articulate what are they missing. And it takes a brand, it takes a pioneering team to understand what those unmet needs are and to craft a technology solution to address that at an accessible price point. Flipkart is the partner Compaq has chosen to work with as they embark on this version 2.0. Just to talk a little bit about Flipkart and the emerging television market. See, the TV viewing as we are used to, or what we were used to earlier. So there was this era of completely analog TVs, the big CRT boxes that you used to see. And then the world technology moved on to panels. You had plasma, then you had LCD, LED. Right now, where we are is there's almost a transition happening even in the TV industry. 60% plus of the Indian households have a television. But in this statistic lies one detail, which if you were to ask the question the other way around, how many Indian homes have a smart TV today? Okay. And that number will be, let's say, in single digits or very, very low double digits, because large number of Indian homes actually have the televisions which belong to earlier era, which are not connected, which don't actually meet the customer need. Why do I say that they don't meet the customer need? See, most of our entertainment consumption or content consumption is now happening on demand. You're using a mobile phone, right? One reason to use your mobile phone is you're consuming content on the go. That's perfectly fine. But when you come back home, you still want to consume content on demand when you want it. You don't want a slotted viewing that you will only get it between 9 to 10. And that is emerging as one big, let's say, need gap at the home. Customers need to have smart television so that they can have on-demand viewing as per their choosing. Okay. Now, I'll give you a second data point. One way to look at the Indian market is, each home there'll be one television. But that's not what the trend is telling us. There was always a space for family time. There still remains a space for family time. But there is a big space of personal viewing time that is also emerging. You'll be surprised to know that a lot of times when we look at television, we only say entertainment. But people in this personal viewing time are consuming content. But there is a lot of learning that is happening via television. Time is becoming a very, very established context or a need. And what does that mean from a household point of view? You don't need one TV, now you need multiple TVs. You need multiple screens at a home. The third one, right now, data penetration in India, from a broadband point of view, still remains low. Over the next 3 or 4 years, India will see a digital revolution. What was there on mobiles will also be available in terms of the speed and the value, in terms of the price per GB. India will see a huge leap on that front. Need for OTT, personal consumption. Need for a personal TV, because I need my personal viewing time. And the third one, accessibility of data at a certain price point and with the right quality. All three factors put together point towards India moving from a 13 to 17 million per unit market to its rightful share. In my belief, Flipkart, of course, is working to enable that, to meet customer needs every single pin code across the country, working with our partner brands. We bring the best possible television experience, best possible installation experience, delivery experience, post-purchase experience to our customers, and we continue working in that direction. But our journey would be incomplete without the partner brands. And that is where Compaq comes in. And that's the reason at the start I said Compaq, it's a really, really big step. Look at the Indian market exploding, customer needs expanding, and look at the core values that Compaq brings to the table. Great technology, great quality, great experience at a very, very accessible price. While there is a lot of work that has happened on, let's say, the form factor side, how the televisions used to be earlier and how they are now, is very, very different. A lot of work has happened on the video side as well, from CRT to plasma to LED to backlit to micro dimming to whatever. It's moving from 4K to 8K, and I'm sure that will also be a reality in times to come. On the audio side, let's say, what is a television at the end of the day? You're fundamentally saying 2 to 4 speakers, whether backfiring, downfiring, or front firing. Okay, and then you have access to certain software and codecs and technology to make that audio sound better. I think the work that Compaq has done on the audio side is really phenomenal. It brings the video viewing experience, the picture experience with the audio experience. Combination of this 1 plus 1 in my mind is not 2 in this case, it's actually 3 or 4. Okay, and that is what I believe a good brand does when we say they bring great product to the market. Enough said. I think I've taken a lot of your time. Thanks for being so patient and giving me this opportunity. Once again, I'll want to thank Anand and wish the entire Compaq team all the very, very best for the launch. From a Flipkart point of view, really excited to partner. I believe, and I'll say this again, it's a really, really big step for the Indian television market. I'm very sure that when we connect again in the next 6 to 8 months, we'll look back and say, this is the day this journey started, and here is where we stand. Thank you once again. Thanks for joining. Thanks for hearing me out. Thanks, Compaq team, for giving me an opportunity. And congratulations once again. Thank you.
Thanks, Ajay. That was very generous. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you, for the very first time, Compaq Televisions. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. After that wonderful visual, let's talk about the products and the features of compact televisions. Pictures have always been the most crucial part of storytelling. Breathtaking imagery combined with amazing sound are the tools for change and conviction. To deliver a mesmerizing visual experience, compact televisions have been equipped with some of the most cutting-edge technologies. Each technology adds a different dimension to the display, carefully calibrating the output of each image attribute and delivering the most lifelike experience for its viewers. Everything in pictures starts with colors, and to enhance color experience, we have incorporated White Color Gamut Plus or WCG Plus into our products. WCG Plus technology delivers the purest and most refined color expression, which helps to increase display performance over other color gamuts, thereby delivering an incredible 1.07 billion color spectrum with richer and more vibrant colors. It effectively improves the vividness and enhances the richness of colors to new highs. Also, to deliver the most spectacular display, we have incorporated compact TVs with high definition formats, from HD in small sizes to Ultra HD in larger sizes. Ultra HD displays produce stunning details in 3840 into 2160 pixels. We also have 4K HDR and HDR10+, which produce dazzling detail in each frame with accurate reproduction of light and dark shades. All these great technologies add immense quality, depth, and sharpness to the compact display. But we decided to do more. To enhance the TV viewing experience of consumers, Compaq has developed and would like to introduce the Experience Stabilization Engine, or ESE. ESE, through its advanced algorithm, calibrates all the attributes of the picture in each frame and the next frame and optimizes the timing of those transitions of those attributes such as color, contrast, depth, and dimensional variations of the objects in the image. This ensures minimal lag and trace blurring during frame transitions. So on a Compaq, you can now enjoy impeccable and more stable depth in colors, resolution, and quality even during the most dynamic frame transitions. All this for you means that your picture is free of even the slightest blurring during high-intensity action sequences or high-octane sports viewing. The other equally important aspect of television experience is sound. And to deliver amazing sound through a compact television, we have integrated all major technologies which help in delivering great audio output. First, we have Dolby Audio, which delivers an immersive 5.1 surround sound with Dolby decoder that greatly optimizes the TV's sound quality. Secondly, we have DTS True Surround, which is a true zero compressed audio decoding format that creates a rich acoustic field, replicating the sound of live studio recording. We also have the Pure Sound technology. Pure Sound technology delivers rich and comfortable audio, powerful bass, mellow mid-range, and clear treble with perfect clarity, creating a definitional soundstage in your living room. We have also incorporated 5 sound modes to help you fine-tune your sound to the content you watch. We have established through these amazing technologies that compact televisions deliver an amazing studio experience. But as promised, we have gone a step further with sound. Introducing to you Mimi hearing technology in compact televisions. Through the history of televisions, emphasis has always been on the safety of your vision. But the safety of your hearing remains a remarkably overlooked aspect. We at Compaq understand that each individual's hearing profile is different and requires personalized delivery of sound that you hear. And that's exactly why we collaborated with Germany-based Mimi Hearing Technologies to deliver the most personalized and secure hearing experience. Mimi is a multiple CS award-winning patented technology which customizes the digital audio to the user or the group of users and makes it more detailed and safe by moderating the frequency that you are sensitive or weak to. Let's hear from Mimi's CEO, Mr. Philip himself.
Hi, I'm Philip Skranowitz, founder and CEO of Mimi. Mimi is a technology company that develops software solutions to help people to hear better. From our extensive hearing test data, we know that many people have mild to moderate hearing loss that often goes undetected and that prevents people from getting the most out of their home entertainment experiences. Mimi Sound Personalization is a technology that adapts the audio signal of your TV in real time to your hearing ability, delivering a truly personalized TV experience. We're excited that Mimi is launching with Compaq in India. It's amazing to work with a company that embraces the latest technology with a focus on delivering the perfect sound. And it's the first time that viewers in India can experience our award-winning technology and experience truly personalized sound and have a really immersive audio experience. Mimi is excited to work with such an iconic brand as Compaq. We're looking forward to work together to further improve Mimi sound personalization for an ever-growing number of users, and we're really excited about this launch.
Thanks, Philip. Compaq is the first and the only television brand which delivers Mimi's personalized and safe hearing experience in India. With Mimi, we have ensured that you can now binge watch your favorite shows, movies, and sports content without worrying about your hearing. So for Compaq, we've talked about a great viewing experience, as well as a great personalized sound experience. But what brings them together is how your smart TV interacts with you. Compaq has always been known for ergonomic technology and its ease of use. Compaq televisions are no different. All Compaq televisions are certified Android televisions. This gives you access to the entire Android universe, which means we have Google Play Store, which gives you access to over 5,000 applications, including your favorite OTT platforms. You get all the wonderful content from your favorite avenues through YouTube. Also, there's Google Play Movies and Google Play Games, with an ocean of choices to keep you entertained. You can access all of these through a simple voice command using Google Assistant.
How can I help?
All Compaq televisions come with a dedicated Google Assistant key on the remote. Another major smart addition to your Compaq television is the ability for you to mirror your phone onto your screen through the built-in Chromecast feature, ensuring the big screen experience for your phone's content. Interestingly, we have talked about so many attributes of the brand and the features, but we still have not seen any products yet. It is now time to change all of that. Introducing to you the Compaq QLED series, the flawless, the exquisite, the desirable, the elegant, and chiseled to perfection, the Compaq Hex. Compact Hex is all screen, almost bezel-less, and comes with a diamond cut all metal design. It's super slim at just 6.4 mm for the 55-inch version. But is that all to Hex? No. It would be like having a supercar standing in your garage, but with the engine of a sedan. All your friends and neighbors would still be envious of that machine which stands there. Passers-by would halt in front of your house to sneak a peek at it, but you would not be able to enjoy it to the fullest. To ensure that that is not the case with the Hex, we gave it the ultimate engine with a 64-bit quad-core MediaTek processor and Mali T860 MP2 GPU with ARM. This combination supports multitasking and enhances responsiveness, ensuring smooth function. Also, to ensure that this powerful core can do justice to the requirements of the Hex, we built 2.5 GB RAM and 16 GB internal memory in it. Compact Hex has an inbuilt high-speed 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi feature, the Bluetooth feature, and total of 4 HDMI ports. It also comes with 2 USB ports, out of which one gives you the faster 3.0 version. Hex also gives you all the other connectivity features of a high-end premium television. So whether you are flipping between your favorite shows or an exciting game, Compact Hex will ensure that you get a seamless and ultra-premium experience. The Hex series comes with 2 bottom-firing speakers with a total output of 24 watts. But amid these great features, we have saved the best for last, which is the price of the Hex. Compact 55-inch Hex will be available to you at an introductory price of 59,999, whereas the 65-inch version will be available at 89,999. You can buy your Compact Hex on Flipkart. We only made few of this masterpiece, so grab it fast. But again, this is not all. Compact will be available in a broad spectrum of sizes, from 32-inch HD to 40 and 43-inch FHD, and a superior range of Ultra HD televisions in sizes 43, 50 and 55. We will introduce many configurations with MIMI and ESC and much more to their core. So there is an amazing compact television for everyone. The range for compact televisions starts at 12,499. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to experience the power of compact again. Get ready to experience life in compact.